They done burnt me up. What are you talking about? And I'm way better than Kai in the building over there with the dad. You already. Rose Day 22. You heard? Shout out to bro Drizzy. You know we're gonna do this annually. We always keep our word. Motherfuckers come together. Right. But we gotta talk.
You bring it over here? I'll tell you, bring it over here.
Yeah, you wanna say
I don't even know nobody, but I'm buying all the liquor. That's it. That's it.
Love, love.
Liquor store from here.
Rest in peace, E-Blocks, you hear me? The big dabs.
Bend it.
Bend it.
This the dad right here. This was his name. The dad. Talk to him, dad. Boogie over there chilling, getting dritty. Oh yeah. Mom here, Mom just pulled up. Shout out to Rose Mom. Yeah, we out here. See the shirt?
Yo, move on.
This is what Mama Love food do to you. Oh, Slim not to hide that shit, bro. Look at that. We got drive back too. Hey. Yeah, we out here. Top Boogie about to breeze on us. The movie just left. Cool.
Yeah, we outside.
King Green Dreams, Trap House Jumping. Get my paper right, ain't gonna tell me nothing. Grind all winter, fucking up.
My man Phone Jones him over here, you heard? Hey yo, listen, that hot blocks just rolled here all the way from Queens to Yonkers. We ain't never been here before. That's a fact. That's what's up though. We still out here cooling. I was just kicking it with Mom.
Remember this face, you heard? Got the big blocks from Mom. How this came out?
Getting spicy. Yo, the little, look at that little kid you woke up. That little kid.
Yo, Gremlin. Facebook marketplace.
What you gotta say tomorrow for the camera? You tired?
Nah, the walk through the camera. You know you want it.
Every time I try to sell it, it's like time.
Yo, Ma over there. Slim, smoking that stink ass Black and Mild. Dusty ass Black and Mild. Yeah. Turn that shit up, Mike Nice. Stunt pulled up, Scott in the building.
Outside.
Got Scales out here. Hot Blocks, OG in the building. Matt. Got Slim. My man Soto. Shout out to Soto holding it down on the grid. Ice in the building. Yeah. You got my boy Kai in the building. Snoop out here.
Little dad, big dad.
The little dad,
Big dad.
we out here. My man Oakland be here, but you already know. Word. We representing for my boy. Out here.
Oh, yeah. I know
See what's going on. Good vibes.
Ooh, we litty. Put this in the chat right now. Put it in the chat. Out here.
the camera. What y'all doing tomorrow? What y'all doing tomorrow?
We outside, man. You know how we rock.
What, you ain't right?
What you doing tomorrow?
Promoting, look, real power band pack. We outside, you know what I'm saying? I dab in the building, always. You know what I'm saying? Yo, we outside tomorrow.
Yeah. Chat, what you doing? What y'all doing tomorrow? You broke up?
Like that, so on a bench?
Yo, you up, little homie? Go up to the camera now, bro.
What we got going here? We got a little competition.
I'm tired of seeing you do the same old shit. Do some new shit, bro.
What's the same old shit?
Spicy over there.
What's the same old shit that you see me do?
Regular Willie.
Regular Willie? So you don't be seeing this?
It's
A little bit once in a while.
Once in a while?
Ooh.
Alright. Okay.
Ooh.
Look at that right here.
So you ain't pull up on me. The last time we was outside and we was going through the stop, you ain't pull up on me like, oh, nah, that's not that nice.
I ain't gonna lie to you. You ain't crazy. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh, alright.
I thought you was somebody else.
Spicy over
You thought I
there.
was somebody else. Yeah. I'll tell you what thought made a man do. I'll tell you what thought made a man do.
See that action tomorrow.
Burn his ass up. Damn. Nah, all that shit coming out the bag tomorrow. All that shit coming out the bag tomorrow.
I'ma run it up until it's all okay. Even though that cat don't take that pain away. Cause to the Joker, he be front line with that K. And I be here when the sun rise. I can't wait.
Slim talking bullshit. He ain't doing
Say he
nothing.
gonna warm you up. No, I ain't say that. That's cap.
Yeah, you know that's cap. You know that's cap. Cap a rapper. He capping and he rapping.
We're talking about what Kai did on that Honda when I passed on that Honda.
Flip the camera. That's a fact. You already know.
When I passed on that car, what you did on that Honda?
Which one? I did a whole lot of lottery.
Come on, let me
Let me
see this cap.
I did a whole lot of light.
What you did when I passed you that Honda?
Burnt your ass up.
I think it's not dead.
Nah, it's dead. Don't worry about
It
it.
ain't dead?
Nah, it did.
What you did when I passed you that Honda? Hey, Pop.
Burnt his ass up.
What you did when I passed you that Honda?
I was warming you up.
You was worming.
Warming you.
Hey, Snoop.
Slim, you washed up. I don't know what you talking about. You gonna be in the back with me on the camera.
Yeah, talk to him. Talk to him.
You gonna be in the back with me on the camera, Slim. Don't even try it, family.
Why? We got an extra GoPro for him too.
I got a GoPro for you, Slim. Don't try nothing fancy. You ain't riding about a month of Sundays, so just relax yourself.
Yeah, talk to him. Get his ass, Mike.
Relax, bitch.
Thanks, shit. I'm happy to be outside with my bros.
What? Niggas ain't paid? Niggas still ain't paid.
He did. He stepped up approval. That's all. But he good. He good.
Yeah, them boys eating again. Them boys eating again. Eating again.
Yeah. What you doing, boy? You don't know what you doing, boy? Nah, give me a combo. Give me a combo.
Gang shit, fuck 12, gang shit, fuck 12, gang shit, fuck 12, gang shit, fuck 12. I'm on a bike, package with me, she grabbing the pipe. She don't wanna fuck, she just wanna suck, she really a dyke. She want me to lead my shit in the front like shit in the flight. Keep your feet up, bitch, better not put shit, I ain't coming my bike. Took the front, black,
What?
Engine brake easy.
Electric start?
Yeah, fact. Slim about to act up out here. Take it easy, boy, you heard? Easy, boy. Fresh meat out here, you heard?
Shift lock.
Button right there. Fact. Rookie. Shit, rookie, you heard? Look at him, rookie. Corey, if you watch this video, he's a movie, you heard? It's a movie. Movie night, you heard?
Oh, he's not down.
Look, stalling out already. Look, little homie, caught him. Caught him lacking. We caught him lacking. Yeah, we caught your ass. Worm ass. Look at pressure on him. Look at him. Look at him. Oh, he worm man. He worm man. He worm man. Big worm. Big worm. He said put his seatbelt on.
That's not a 250, Slim.
Yo, listen, we lost a GoPro. Everybody helped me find it, even my boy Snoop. He said, he cursed me out just now. He cursed me out just now. Yeah, I appreciate all you. Yo, we would have had, I don't know, I would have found it later, but I wouldn't even been able to get footage tomorrow. So we gonna, my nigga Soto. My nigga Soto in the building. We got Slim, he's doing nothing. I don't know what he's doing.
What are you talking about?
He's recuperating. We got Mike Knight. We got Stunt helping hot blocks. Hot blocks. This fucking worm right here. Look, he in the tool case. Let me see if we can find the tool he needs. Let's see what's going on here.
Right there. Hands on it. Hands on it. No. Use this right here.
Big pipe in his face, and he goes for it. Big pipe. Let's go. I got him on camera. Tighten up. Let's go.
This that unk shit that's gonna crush my shit up. Nah, that shit work.
Talk to the camera. Tell him something.
Get it done.
Huh? Get it done. Slim, talk to the camera. What we got going on here today? Why we here today?
Yeah, first slip.
Yeah, you already know. Where you came from?
Listen, from the pineapple to the big apple, baby.
Yeah, that's a fact. That's a fact. We gotta get Mike Nice over here. Listen, Mike Nice, talk to the camera.
Big dog shit up here right now.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna roll the solo gonna roll, but it's gonna be a fat one. Gorgeous.
Stepman, talk to the camera.
You already know we outside in the trap house.
Talk to the camera, little bro. One way in the building.
Yeah.
One way in the building. Talk to the camera.
Big OWTT.
Okay, there we go. That's the first time we talk to the camera all day. Yo, listen. Talk to the camera, Jake.
We outside, man. Hey, Rose tomorrow. Active.
Yeah, that's a fact. Talk to the camera, bro.
Outside,
I'm looking for you.
What you reppin'? What you reppin'? What y'all reppin'? Yo, listen. These two got a battle going on tomorrow. If I catch it on the camera, y'all gonna see it, but they going at it. He been trying to get him some GVO, bro.
He been holding back since GVO.
Y'all know him, right? You know this mop head dude right here, right?
Side won't close, Jizzy.
I'm gonna catch you outside.
Ah!
Got the red tire.
Yeah, that's a fact. Looking for the red tires in the air, though. Not on the ground. That's all, you heard? That thing is gonna be waving.
Your passenger door won't close.
The left side? Talk to the camera, bro. Tell them what's going on. You outside?
Yeah, I'm outside tomorrow.
That's a fact. Yeah, we out here. We out here.
Is that you black? How you
Big fucking camera, so you niggas don't run down. Listen to what's happening. Listen to what's happening. This is the bitch. Yo, this the bitch you gonna be on tomorrow? Yo, listen, when you see this bitch tomorrow, burn him the fuck up, right? Burn him up. If you can't burn him up, we gonna burn you up. That's a guy right there. Be on.
Back, Will still in the air though.
You say you got some bitchy killers out here? Huh? You vouching for them?
Yeah.
Oh, he vouching.
I want to see him pick up on
Yo, listen, these niggas willing.
Shit like that.
These
I want to
niggas
see
willing in a
highway.
mile open strip, bro. No traffic in the way, bro. Not a pothole in
I'm a
sight.
Florida
You
boy.
just said to me, yo, bro.
on the highway.
I don't look at the floor, right?
Tell about the potholes.
What?
Tell about the
Hell no, we
potholes.
don't gotta look at the floor.
Tell about the potholes.
Look at the sky, nigga.
Tell about the potholes, though.
Oh, I'm straight off them shits, brother. I'm straight. I'm straight. Those are real, nigga. Y'all got Mars out this.
Yeah, nigga, come defeat this challenge we work with. You heard? Yeah. You ready for them potholes, no man?
You seasoned out here.
You ready? Yo, y'all niggas rolls is butter sauce. You hear me?
Y'all can come to my city, y'all can move to my city, y'all can do whatever y'all want.
Which one's fucked up? The one with the sand on it?
Everybody
The only- Nah, that's it. Niggas got sand on their road. No.
It's just like you got forever.
Yeah, that's all. Yo, look, watch all his videos, bro.
Y'all niggas should never ever crash into each other.
Yo, listen.
Ever.
Watch all his videos. He's not in traffic. He's in an open space with him, bro. It's willing freely.
Like that.
It's free. That's what I'm telling you. Tomorrow, the pressure gonna be real. When your ass get that tight ass space, you gonna drop it and be smiling at me like, yeah, boy, shit crazy. Shit crazy out here, boy. This shit crazy. You heard? That's what you gonna be saying?
4 lanes, you can make a left turn.
You heard what you gonna be saying tomorrow? What you said?
I said they got 4 lanes. You can make a left turn on the seat stand. It's like rrr, rrr. You got forever. It's just 4 lanes. You just got all that, bro. Fuck out of here. And then you got a car. Hey, you got a car and you got
Hey, why you hate?
You got a car.
Like I said, they make cars and planes. Y'all know over there. I'm like, I am.
Hey, I've been over there.
Hey, I'm born and raised, bro. I ain't asked to be over there, you feel me? But I just got blessed, you feel me? Now I'm saying I happen to be there. I'm born and raised, I ain't
But you gotta come face our challenge.
You're right.
You gotta come face our challenge.
This is a different ball game right here.
You come face this challenge we deal with these 6-inch deep potholes. When you drop it up your body
That's
full
only
of the
my
bike.
problem for the weekend. The rest of that shit don't matter.
The weekend means something though, cause you might get burnt up. Every time you see a pothole, you don't want to drop, right? And then when a nigga like me gonna swerve on him, boop, 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 bop, drop on him, bop, bop, dance on your ass. I try to tell you, yo, they got niggas out there fucking up 125s, bro.
I'm not even a 2-stroke nigga. I got on that 125. Did everything I do on a 4-stroke.
A lot of niggas are.
Where is that?
What you talking about then?
I'm about to go to Dubai with that shit.
Burn them out.
What you talking about?
Burn them out.
What you talking about?
He talking about the niggas out there around 125. You just said
Niggas ride 125s, but niggas don't ride 125s like that. You feel me?
They
You know
ain't
out
put
here
in their paint?
you see Banshee, you see a bunch of 85s, Banshees, 125s. You feel me?
Yeah, this versatile
You know
out
out
here.
here, nigga, my
Lot
shit
of
is 450.
ABG going
If
on
you don't got
out
a 450, your shit bound to blow soon.
You gotta have 450.
What you mean?
Tell them, Let them know, old head.
I'm outside every weekend.